Question number 1, Part A. The total cost of a taxi journey is calculated as $0.50 per kilometer plus $0.40 per minute. And its ith part is calculate the total cost of a journey of 32 kilometer that takes 30 minutes. It takes $0.50 per kilometers. So for 32 kilometers multiplied by $0.50 per kilometer and plus $0.40 per minute, and it takes 30 minutes. So 30 times 0.40. $32 multiplied by 0.50 plus 30 times 0.40, which is 28. So the total cost for this ride is 28. Second part is the total cost of a journey of 100 km is $98. Show that the time taken is 2 hours. Let's say the time taken is X hours and the journey was of 100 kilometers. So 100 kilometers and they charge $0.50 per kilometer plus it takes X hours and they charge $0.40 per minute. So multiplied by 0.40 and the total cost of a journey is $98. Now solving it, 100 multiplied by 0.5, which is 50. 50 plus 0.4 times x equals 98. Then x equals 98 minus 50 over 0.4. 98 minus 50 divided by 0.4 equals 120 minutes, which is equal to 2 hours. Hence proved. Next is part C. After midnight, the cost of any taxi journey increases by 45%. One journey costs $84.10 after midnight. Calculate the cost of the same journey before midnight. So it increased 45%. So 1 plus 45%. Let's say X is the cost before midnight equals after midnight it costs $84.10. So before midnight is X, which is equal to 84.10 over 1 plus 45 over 100. One plus 45 over 100 equals 58. So before midnight it costs $58 for the same journey. Next is question number 4, part A. The exchange rate is €1 equals $1.142. Its I part is Johan changes $500 into euros. Calculate the number of euros Johan receives and give your answer correct to the nearest euro. When €1 is $1.142, so then $1 equals 1 over 1.142 euro. Then $500 equals 500 over 1.142 euro. Over 1.142, which is 437.83. Now correcting to the nearest euro, the answer will be 438. Second part is Johan buys a computer for $329. The same computer costs 275 euros. Calculate the difference in cost in dollars. When 1 euro is $1.142, then 275 euro equals $1.142 times 275. 1.142 times 275. 314.05. Now the difference between the costs is 329 minus 314.05. 329 minus answer is 14.95. So the difference between the costs is $14.95.